What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. And today we're going to show you another security camera, wire free, and it has a big battery. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what it is. Today we're looking at the Meco Verde wire-free security battery camera. So we're gonna unbox this and show you what it does. There's a lot of features here that I could see already. It says in the box that it's wire-free, full HD, rechargeable, motion detection. Now viewing angle is about 120 degrees, night vision, audio where you can talk to each other via the app, micro SD for playbacks, and also it's weatherproof. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is and how well it does so that you know if this is the camera for you. Unboxing. There you go. Boom. Open it up. Boom. Literature, put that on the side. User manual, put that on the side. Camera itself, there you go. Little plastic. Boom! There you go. A lot of accessories here from Meco. Let's see what else they gave us. Little base for the camera right there. Boom. That goes on the back. Just like that. Magnetic. Beautiful. A bunch of 3M tapes. Foam tapes. Double-sided tapes right there. Cable. Micro USB cable to charge it. Bunch of mounting clips and screws. There you go. And some more of that. Beautiful. And an actual mounting base. This is the thing that you put on the bottom of the camera. Just like that. Now let's set this up. Here we go. Once you turn on the camera, you can open the user manual. Here you will have a link, a QR scanner. You can scan the QR codes there, whatever system you have, Apple or Android, and you'll be able to get the app. So let's go ahead and scan that. Today the app that we're looking at is Cloud Edge. Go ahead and download that, register, and go ahead and log in. Once you've done that, I already have this on my phone, so I don't have to redo it. So if you haven't seen my last video, I have a Meco front door doorbell camera. So go ahead and check that out as well. So here, we're gonna add a camera by pressing plus. There you go. Right here, we're gonna look at battery camera. I believe that's it. Yes. Let's go ahead and power up our camera. Right there. Powered up with the red button up there. Press next. Since it's a new camera, you don't have to reset the camera. It'll blink already. So once it's blinking up here, the red indicator, you can go ahead and press next. There we go. And then here we can change our Wi-Fi. Punch in the Wi-Fi network that you have at home. For cameras like these, I usually use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Make sure you use that because the 5 gigahertz doesn't go across walls very easily, so that you don't lose connection too much. Make sure to use the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. There you go. Once we connected it to the Wi-Fi, let's press next. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our QR code, and the camera will have to scan it just like that. So go ahead and hit next. There you go. Once you have the QR code, all you need to do is bring your camera like that. It'll make a noise that it's been scanned, and hit next. Now we're connecting the camera. And there you go. Real quick, it already connected to the camera. There you go. Now you can change the name of the camera. hit OK. Let's go ahead and update our camera as well. Hit update. So once the setup is all done, you can go ahead and check out the camera. Here we're going to show you the functions of the camera right now. I'm going to point it to me. There you go. Pretty cool. Look at the quality of that. Very nice. Here you could see the motion detection right away. I already have a vibrate on my phone. There's a motion detection. So you can turn that on or off right there. You can also have screenshots by clicking that. As you could see there, it took a screenshot. There's also an intercom where you can use this to talk to the person that you are seeing on the camera. So we're gonna test out the intercom right here. Here you go. This is the intercom. So that's pretty cool. Of course, it's having a feedback because it's right in front of me. Here you could see the history as well of motion detections and things that you've taken a photo of and also recorded. Here on the front screen as well, on the live version, you can also, on a live spot here, you can hit record by hitting that. And then as you could see there, it'll hit record. There you go. That's pretty cool. And then once you're done, hit record again and it'll save right there. You can also activate their cloud storage service. You don't have to necessarily do that, but if you want to, you can go ahead and do that as well. There you go. Now we're going to go ahead and see the settings. Here, as you can see, this is the settings. There's a device share where you can share it to other people in your home, maybe your parents or whoever lives on your home, maybe your wife or your kids. There's also device information of tells what kind of camera this is. Installation guide.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
There's also an installation guide if you haven't installed the camera. The basic functions here, we're looking at the speaker volume. You can lower and increase it. There you go. We'll just leave it at 70-ish. And then you can screen flip as well, which means this will, for example, if you're mounting your camera upside down, you will be able to do that with that. There's a night vision as well, automatic. I would just leave it on automatic, or so that you it'll automatically change when it's nighttime or maybe your camera or your lights are off. There's also the power management, which tells you the remaining battery. There's power saving settings where there's a shooting interval, so it's not always on. You can also set it as 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. There's a maximum shooting time as well of 20 seconds, 40 seconds, and 1 minute. Motion detection here, you can change it to low or high. Again, alarm intervals at 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. There's also the day detection and the night detection. And then there's alert plans where you can add time periods or which day you want to set it. So for example, you're at home and you don't want the motion detector to be on or notifying you every time you walk past the camera. You can go ahead and turn that off. But if you're not home, and you can set it up as well so that it'll turn on when you're not home. The next part is recording management. Here, you can also have a recording time. You can limit it to 20 seconds, 40 seconds, or 1 minute. You can also insert an SD card, which in turn will give you a lot of space. I love how it has an option of having a micro SD card. For the most part, you don't even need the micro SD card, but it is good to have it there. And there you go. It's amazing how many cameras out there are available right now. It is another camera from Meco, and I think this is one of the cameras that you would enjoy to use. It has a lot of functionalities like motion detection. It also has full HD, so that's pretty good for the quality. If you're detecting faces or maybe there's an intruder at your house, you'll be able to see it like that. And this is one of the cameras that you can use for, it's very small as well. I like the design. It's like, as you could see there, it's as big as, it may be a little bit half of my hand there, so that's pretty cool. And you'll be able to, this is a very small camera, so it's like, so this camera will be very versatile wherever you put it, and it also has a magnet back, just like that. where you can mount this anywhere. So that's pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of the Meco Smart Camera battery powered. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.